Hey guys, today is a special day. I'm going up to London to go to the Live Tinted pop-up and meet Deepica, which I'm really excited about, and I thought I'd bring you along with me on the journey. Hey guys, so after I finished up at the event, I went to go eat. I went to the Pisaba and I love Thai food. I had pad Thai. Yeah, the event was so nice. I met so many nice people. And of course, Deepica was so cute. She's so bubbly, exactly how you see what she's like on her social medias, everything. That's what she's like in person. She's actually so much taller than I imagined. And she's got like the figure of Beyonce. Like, she's so beautiful in person. It was so strange because obviously I know her because I follow her, but she doesn't know anything about me. So it must have been really strange for her to meet me and me to be like, oh, I love your mum. I actually picked up one Huestick. I got Rise, which is the orangey tone. I was actually surprised because I wasn't sure if I would like this one because I'm not really into orangey tones, but this looks so beautiful. I swatched all the Huesticks on my hand at the event, so it's been a couple of hours on my hand, and I'll just show you quickly now. Can you see how nice Rise looks? I don't think you can. Oh, there we go. This is Rise. It's such a beautiful creamy formula, really blendable. I have it on my cheeks as well, and it blended out on top of my powder really nicely. And then this is Perk. You can barely see it. It's actually really light. I thought it'd be a bit deeper than it was. And then this is Found here, the third one along. This is much darker than I imagined in person. It's got really nice warm brown tones, something that I would wear more on my eyes than my lips and cheeks. Maybe it might work as a contour really nicely, but it's quite warm, maybe like a bronzer rather than a contour. And then this last one is probably my least favourite. It's not to say it's bad, because it's not. It's got a tiny bit more of a drier formula, I feel. They were all out, so I don't think it's because it was open, but you see, like, it's not as smooth as the others, but it is still such a pretty formula. I only picked up Rise, like I said, because it was so nice in person. The packaging is actually really nice. It's really sturdy. The actual packaging of the Huesticks are so nice. It's coppery, really pretty, and it's so convenient because it's a pencil. And here, I can't do it one-handed. Oh my god, I've got you in between my knees at the moment. So here, I'm gonna do this YouTube style. Oi, focus here. Here is what it looks like. Really nice, isn't it? And then this is the colour. I think it looks less orange in person than it does online, which is nice for me because, like I said, I'm not really into orangey tones. I don't have anything on my lips because I ate it all off, but it's so pretty. It's actually a really nice colour. I like this so much more than I thought I would. It gives such a nice colour to the face as well. It's not overpowering. Tomorrow I'll probably try and use it as a colour corrector, even though I don't colour correct that much. I think I do need a tiny bit under my eyes, but I'll give that a go tomorrow and I'll let you know how it works. I know this was a really short vlog, but I just wanted to document it and share it with you guys. I'm gonna go get changed and get ready for bed, have a cup of tea, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!